Hello everyone, here in this video I am going to explain you about the theorems related to the ring isomorphism and kernel homomorphism. First, definition of ring isomorphism. Let R, S be two rings. The function pi mapping from R to S is said to be an isomorphism if it satisfies three conditions. First condition, the pi is homomorphism. It means it should satisfy under addition and under multiplication homomorphism conditions. Next, pi is 1 1. If it is 1 1, the formation will be like this: pi of A equals to pi of B. That implies A equals to B. The third condition, pi is onto. The onto function will be like this: pi of x equals to y. Then a ring homomorphism, if it is both 1 1 and onto, then we call it as a ring isomorphism. See, already in the statement itself they will mention ring homomorphism. Then if it is 1 1 and onto, we can call it as a ring isomorphism. Next, definition of kernel of homomorphism. Let R, S be two rings and let pi mapping from R to S is homomorphism. Then the kernel of homomorphism pi is denoted by kernel pi and it is defined as a set formation like this: kernel pi equals to x belongs to R such that pi of x equals to 0 dash, where 0 element belongs to the S. Now note point, here 0 and 0 dash be the 0 elements in R, S respectively. Then the pi of 0 equals to 0 dash means compare this one with this one. X belongs to R means here 0 belongs to the R. Then we will get pi of 0 equals to 0 dash means the 0 will be belongs to the kernel pi, and we can say the kernel pi is a non-empty subset of R. Property related to the isomorphism. Let pi be a ring homomorphism from ring R to a ring S. Then prove that pi is an isomorphism if and only if pi is onto and kernel pi equals to 0. Here in the given statement they gave R and S are two rings and pi mapping from R to S is a ring homomorphism. Taking an element R belongs to the capital R, and kernel of homomorphism will be in the form of like this: kernel pi equals to, from the definition of kernel pi equals to small r belongs to R such that pi of R equals to 0 dash. Now we have to prove two conditions. By taking pi is an isomorphism, we have to prove pi is onto and kernel pi equals to 0. Now already here the pi is isomorphism means it satisfies the onto and 1 1. So only case we have to prove kernel pi equals to 0. Since here let taking an element A belongs to kernel pi, if A belongs to kernel pi, you see if A belongs to kernel pi, the set formation will be like this: pi of A equals to 0 dash, and 0 dash we have the property pi of 0 equals to 0 dash means 0 dash equals to pi of 0. Since pi is 1 1, so we can equate the inside values. A equals to 0 and A element belongs to kernel pi and A value is equals to 0, so we can equate kernel pi equals to 0. Hence here first proof is satisfied. Second proof, we have to take pi is onto function and kernel pi equals to 0. We have to prove pi is an isomorphism. Means to prove it is an isomorphism, it is enough to prove it is 1 1 and onto. Onto already it is there in the given condition, so no need to prove an onto. We have to prove only it is 1 1. Now for this, take an element A, B belongs to R. If it is 1 1, we will take pi of A equals to pi of B. Considering pi of A equals to pi of B, we will prove A equals to B. Now considering pi of A equals to pi of B, send this pi of B to the left side. Pi of A minus pi of B equals to 0. Then pi of A minus B equals to, we are writing as 0 dash. Now the element belongs to 0 means in the previous case if A equals to 0, then kernel pi equals to 0. Then here also, here the element pi of A equals to 0 means this inside element A minus B will be belongs to the kernel pi. that is here kernel pi equals to 0, the element a minus b is also equals to 0. In the next step, send minus b to left side, a equals to b. Means it's satisfying the condition of 1 1. We can say pi is 1 1 function, hence we can say pi is an isomorphism. Hence pi is an isomorphism if and only if pi is onto and kernel pi equals to 0. Next theorem, let pi be a ring homomorphism from R to S, then kernel pi is an ideal of R. Now by taking pi is a ring homomorphism from R to S, we have to prove kernel pi is an ideal. Given R and R, S are two rings and pi mapping from R to S is a homomorphism, and we have to prove the kernel pi set formation from the definition. It is an ideal of R. Now to prove it is an ideal, every time we have to prove before it is non-empty or not. For that sake, we are taking the property. Already we know the property, this one. Pi of 0 equals to 0 dash. Means the inside element, if pi of 0 equals to 0 dash, here you see pi of x equals to 0 dash, which is equals to kernel pi. The same way we can say 0 belongs to kernel pi. Some element belongs to kernel pi means we can say it is a non-empty set and also it is subset to R. Now we will show the kernel pi is an ideal of R. We have to show kernel pi is an ideal of R if it satisfies the ideal conditions a minus b equals to kernel pi, and the second conditions are it should be a right ideal and also a left ideal. Now proving the first case, a minus b belongs to kernel pi. For this case we are taking some elements a comma b belongs to kernel pi. Now pi of a equals to 0 dash and pi of b equals to 0 dash, because the kernel of pi set formation contains right hand side element always 0 dash. Now for this case, to prove this one, we are considering pi of a minus b equals to, by using the homomorphism condition we can return as pi of a minus pi of b. That implies pi of a value is 0 dash, pi of b value is 0 dash. 0 dash minus 0 dash can be written as 0 dash. Pi of a minus b equals to 0 dash. Means this is in the form of kernel pi set. So we can say this element a minus b belongs to kernel pi. First condition is satisfied. Second condition, this to prove this left ideal and right ideal considering pi of AR equals to, now this can be written as by using pi homomorphism condition pi of a into pi of r, and this can be written as pi of a value is 0 dash and pi of r is, we can written as 0 dash only. Now 0 dash into 0 dash will be 0 dash, pi of AR equals to 0 dash, which is equals to the AR element is will be belongs to the kernel pi. Also in the same way we can prove the left ideal pi of RA equals to, this can be written by using the homomorphism pi of R into pi of A. Pi of R element whatever you take in the set formation, that also you